I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me. This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Lord, your lordships sit in kind of a silos. Your lordships are, my lord, in an ivory tower, not, my lord, in a negative sense of the term.
Our court has an institutional role to play in a polity which is governed by the Constitution and the rule of law.
Now, my lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute justificator. This judgment doesn't constitute justificator.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
1
judgment is
second.
void.
Please listen to me. You are not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord, the question is, my lord,
There's no question you've got.
My friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No further.
We will go by what your lordship.
All, please.
Whatever your lordship says, we will go by that.
Do you want another contempt notice?
No, my lord, your lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
lordship
committed
says.
Bombay.
Only I have said what I wanted to say. That this judgment is rendered behind the back of the people of this country. It doesn't bind us. It doesn't constitute. It is not a representative.
Do not, please, once we have said no, please move the application by email.
What your lordship says.
Do not continue and persist.
Yes. I only said it was not a representative proceeding.
You are
All the way coming from Kerala.
You are obstructing in the administration of justice.
Pardon, my lord?
You are obstructing in the process of administration of justice.
The entire judgment is against behind the back of these people. Parliament has been rendered irrelevant.
That's all. That's all.
My lord, may I mention, my lord, my petition for so moto that is pending. Whatever lordship want to do, that do only. I will not disturb lordship.
Mr. Agarwala, apart from being a senior counsel, you are the president of the SCBA.
Yeah.
You should know the procedure. You have written a letter to me asking me to invoke my suo moto jurisdiction.
Yes, my lord.
No locus to mention.
So
anything.
that I should not disturb lordship. We should not waste the honorable time, court's time. That's why.
Lord,
Only that.
These are all publicity-oriented stunts. We will not permit it.
Not a handmaid of
Whatever lordship feel better.
Mr. Agarwala, please keep it at that. I may have to say something more, which will be perhaps a little distasteful.
Lord, your lordships sit in kind of a silos. Your lordships are, my lord, in an ivory tower, not, my lord, in a negative sense of the term. But what we know here, my lord, your lordships never come to know. The way in which your lordship's judgment is playing out, my lord, something your lordships must, my lord, be informed as highest court of the country. The application comes of the SPI before your lordships on 11th of this month, my lord. And your lordships also, my lord, that's how, my lord, we understood, clarified the position. But most serious things, my lord, start happening thereafter. Lord, those before the court started giving press interviews, deliberately embarrassing the courts, my lord, and there is, Lord, a non-level playing field. My lord, on this side, nobody can rebut that. Neither government can do, nor state bank can do, nobody else can do. Thereafter, my lord, a barrage of social media posts, my lord, at least intended to cause embarrassment, started during these 2 days. The question is, would your lordships, my lord, consider issuing a direction which has a necessary and inevitable fallout, which the court would not be able to control?
Mr. Solicitor, we are only concerned about enforcing the directions which we issued in clauses B and C of para 221.
That's
As judges, we decide according to the Constitution.
correct, my lord.
We are governed by the rule of law. We are also the subject matter of comment in the social media and the press. But surely, as an institution, our shoulders are broad enough.
No, I'm saying, I'm not, my lord, for a
Our
second.
court has an institutional role to play in a polity which is governed by the Constitution and the rule of law.